Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. Okay, so before we start on our guided reading of what we were supposed to read, let's go over, and I'm just going to move the screen just a tad so you can see it. Let's go over the anchor chart. I want to review, so let's review main idea, okay? So main idea is also known as the general topic. That is why I wrote it in pink, general topic. So the main idea of a passage is the general topic. The title of the book provides clues about the main idea. So it's important to read the title, the subtitles, the subheadings, captions, everything, because it provides clues about what the main idea is. Look for and identify repeated words throughout the book. All of this will help you get the main idea, okay? So, now let's look at the story. Okay, guys, so on Monday I asked you to read pages 4, 5, and 6. So let's look at page 4, okay? And as we're looking at page 4 and 5, I want you to remember our anchor chart on the main idea. So let's start on page 4. So a fun and scary holiday. So as you read it, I wanted you to think about what words did you see that were repeated for a fun and scary holiday. Okay, guys, so as you read pages 4, 5, and 6, I went ahead and read it and wrote down words that I saw that were repeating. So some of the words I saw repeating was October 31st, creepy music, costumes, celts, and sewing. So, these are the repeated words that I found on pages 4, 5, and 6. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to figure this out. Now, part of finding the main idea of these pages is writing down words that you see repeated a lot. Now, let's think about what our main idea could be, okay? So, I'm going to pause, and I want you to think about what you think the main idea could be by looking at the words that were repeated. Okay, guys, so right here, the last sentence in the first paragraph says that the Samhain celebrated on October 31st was a way to say farewell to the old, okay? So this is how Halloween originated. This would be our main idea, okay? Now, for next week, I would like for you to read pages 7, 8, 9. And 10. You're going to read 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let me make sure that's correct. Okay, so yes, guys, you're going to read pages 7 through 10 for Wednesday. Now, what I want to do is I want to look at our KWL chart. So let me post it up, and let me change the screen to full screen. Okay, so now let's look at our anchor chart. So, our KWL chart is... Did we answer how did Halloween originate? Did we answer that question? Maybe. But we're going to keep reading to see if we get that answer. Is there anything else maybe that we want to learn more about? So this will be our chance to put it on our anchor chart. What I learned, okay? So one thing that I learned is that Halloween originated from a long time ago. So let's write the Celts celebrated a traditional holiday and I'm going to put 1031 for space, called the Samhain. Okay, so that's what I'm going to put on what I've learned. If you've learned anything different, please put it on your anchor chart. Now, I want to move on to our word work. So, I thought this week we would change it up and do something a little bit different. So let's look at our word work, okay? Now, I went ahead and made you an anchor chart because you know I love anchor charts and I feel like if you have something to reference back, it will help you. So our word work for this week, we're going to talk about synonyms and antonyms. Okay, so let's start with a synonym. So let's not even look at this part. So I'm going to just look at synonyms. A synonym is the same or almost the same meaning. Okay, so a synonym is the same or almost the same meaning. Sorry, my phone is going crazy. Now, an example of a synonym is if I am frightened, I am scared. Frightened and scared mean the same thing. Antonym is the opposite meaning. So antonym is different. Your example, if I'm frightened, the opposite of being frightened is being reassured. Okay? So your word work for today is I am going to give you a list of words, and on one side you're going to give me the synonym, and on the other side the antonym. Okay? I will even model one for you on your word work activity. Okay, guys, don't forget to read pages 7 through 10, and I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday. Happy Tuesday, guys.